Ciao friends! There are two ways to connect Excel to a Power BI model. The first one is you get this report, you publish it to Power BI, and then you use Analyze in Excel. The second one is the one that I want to show today. I just use Excel connected to Power BI Desktop. In order to do that, first of all, I have to start DAX Studio and I have to connect DAX Studio to Power BI Desktop. Let's do this. So I open DAX Studio, I select the model I already opened in Power BI Desktop and I click Connect. At this point, I should use a feature that is here in the Advanced tab of DAX Studio. However, this feature has to be enabled before. And now, because this is DAX Studio just installed, this feature is not enabled because it's an advanced feature. Where can we enable it? We have to go in File, Options, and we have to go in the Advanced tab, and in the Preview Features, we have to enable Show External Tools. Once we enable this, we will have two additional buttons, and the one we are interested to is this one, Excel. When I click on Excel, DAX Studio will open Excel and will instruct Excel to connect directly to Power BI Desktop using the same diagnostic port used also by DAX Studio. So when I click here, Excel, we see that Excel opens and creates this connection. Now, the connection I'm creating is valid only for the current session of Power BI Desktop. So when I close Power BI Desktop, the next time the connection will be different, so I cannot save the file I obtained in Excel this way to reuse it another time, because the connection will be different. But this could be useful to do, for example, a simple pivot table showing I want to see the sales amount here, and I want to include the sales amount browsed by country of the customer. And you see that now I have a pivot table in Excel. I can copy, paste data, I can use all the features you have in a pivot table in Excel. Very useful, especially when you want to investigate in details of your numbers and you need the flexibility of Excel to validate the numbers of your data model. Enjoy DAX!